How to solve matching paragraph information questions in the IELTS reading test. Hey, IELTS champions! Are you ready to master matching paragraph information questions in the IELTS reading test? Whether you're taking the academic or general training module, these questions can be tricky, but don't worry. Today, I'll share strategies and pro tips to help you ace this question type. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify specific information. First, carefully read and understand the statements in the question. Look for key details or unique phrases. For example, if the statement says, "The study highlighted the environmental impact of urbanization," focus on words like environmental impact and urbanization. These keywords will guide you when scanning the passage. Step 2. Scan for information. Next, scan the passage to locate relevant paragraphs. Skim through each paragraph to get a general sense of its content. Pro tip: focus on headings, subheadings, or topic sentences to identify which paragraphs might contain the information you need. Step 3. Paraphrase the information. Here's where it gets interesting. Paraphrasing. The statements in the question often won't match the exact wording in the passage. For example, the question might say, economic benefits, but the passage might mention financial advantages. Learn to spot synonyms and similar phrases to find the right match. Step 4. Find the information in the passage. Once you've identified potential paragraphs, read them carefully. Cross-check the details in the paragraph with the statement to ensure they match perfectly. This step requires attention to detail, so don't rush. Step 5. Remember answers do not come in order. Unlike some question types, matching paragraph information answers don't follow the order of the passage. Be prepared to jump between paragraphs as needed. Stay flexible and focused. It's all part of the challenge. Step 6. Pay attention to instructions. Before writing your answers, double-check the instructions. Are you matching paragraphs with letters like A, B, C, or something else? Misreading instructions is a common but avoidable mistake. Step 7. Not all paragraphs may be used. Keep in mind, not every paragraph will be relevant. Focus only on the paragraphs that contain the necessary information and avoid wasting time on unrelated sections. Now let's talk about some pro tips to level up your skills. Use headings and subheadings. These can guide you to the right sections faster. Practice skimming and scanning. These techniques will save you precious time on test day. Highlight keywords. As you scan, underline or highlight important terms to quickly revisit them. Stay calm and focused. Don't let tricky words or dense paragraphs overwhelm you. Use the context to work through them. By mastering these strategies and practicing regularly, you'll become a pro at tackling matching paragraph information questions. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Remember, practice makes progress. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the IELTS Worldly YouTube channel, and turn on notifications for more IELTS tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any specific IELTS topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!